Okay, this is a tutorial to show you how to create a QR code. I've been using QR codes a lot because they serve a lot of different purposes and can take our customers to a lot of different endpoints based on what we're talking about. So, for example, I use the QR code generator app called QR Code by Ovally. There's a lot of them. You don't have to use a Shopify QR code generator, but I do just because it's easier. And so you will see the dashboard. You will see two types of QR codes that can be made, dynamic and static. Static is good for just a page. You're taking somebody to a page. Dynamic is good if the information will be changing or fluid, or taking them from one place to another. There's a lot of different things you can do with a QR code. You can do an email, you can do a text, you can show them information, take them to a URL. But we're going to do, for sake of argument, a static code, okay? Because we're going to be doing one for auto ship program. We're going to talk about the page, basically, that I created for auto ship. If you go to view page, it'll take you here, and you want to grab this URL. Okay, there's another URL you need to grab because I like it branded. Okay, so and you could only take it from a dynamic code. So we're going to go into this code real fast, and I want to grab, see this logo? I store images on this website, Imgur. Okay, and instead of just showing you where it is, just grab that URL before you start making your code. So now we're gonna create a static code, okay, and we're gonna put that URL here real quick for the logo, okay, and then we're gonna go and get the URL. Now here's for the static code, you can create a few types. Just show them text, take them to a website, email address, or like a contact card. We're just going to do a website. We're going to grab this page URL. We're going to put it here. We're going to name the QR code auto ship page. Okay, and then you got to save it there. And then you see how we got the logo in the middle. I like them branded, and then do a different color for every different type. Keep it interesting and helps us differentiate a little bit better. Okay. All right, and then we got to name it auto ship page, save, and then update. And then I like the margin a little bit more in, so that when we pop it into one of the element frames, it looks nice and you're not wondering if it's cut off. Okay, so now that is the QR code. It will take people here, and we want to download the image. Once it's downloaded, okay, we want to put it in the Google Drive folder called QR codes under, graphic folder. But we also want to upload it to Canva because that's where we will add it to graphics, right? So let's go here. Now I'm going to rename this, and I'm just going to put auto ship in front of it. So, it's a QR code for auto ship page. Okay, and that's it. And that's how you create QR codes to use. And then the great thing about these is there's analytics. So you can see scans that were done on the different ones, like on the outside graphics that I use. You can see how many scans. You can see if it generated any income, what they did with the information, etc. So hope this helps, and now you know how to make a QR code.